Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success.
Orchids make beautiful potted plants, but they need a coarse, very free-draining mix to promote the best growth and lots of beautiful flowers. So when you're potting or repotting your orchids, look out for a specialty potting mix. Clay soil can be a real challenge for gardeners. It's hard to dig whether it's wet or dry, and it also makes it hard for plant roots to grow. You can use some Yates Gypsum Claybreaker to help fix clay soil, open up the structure and make it easier for plant roots to grow. And the benefit of these granules is they're much less dusty than traditional gypsum powders. Indoor plants need regular feeding during the warmer weather, and it doesn't get much easier than using plant food spikes. Simply insert a spike into the potting mix to provide 2 months of nutrients.
For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!